The stars came, it hurt a lot. The pain was saved by the sight begun. And there were screams and bated breath. Smiles were smiles, hearts were sad. Breathe in, breathe out. First you grow, next you walk. You run around all day, cover your ground in sway time. Each you breathe, reach new heights. Imagine a million worlds jumping inside. Breathe in, breathe out. Just remember to wrap up bowl, and don't forget your home. Call me when you get there. Find your friends, open your mind. Take those books off your shelf and get a sense of yourself. Fool around, find what's right. Pick your boundary, pick your fight. Breathe in, breathe out. Just remember to wrap up home, and don't forget your home. Call me when you get there. Just remember to wrap up home, and don't forget your home. Call me when you get there. Find your feet, or take flight. There's a big world out there, so take a bite. Find the one, hold on tight. The future's pulling alongside to you. Breathe in, breathe out. Just remember to wrap up home, and don't forget your home. Call me when you get there.
Thank you very much. It's nice to be accompanied by the gong as well. Okay, Cain Gymraeg nesa. This is a Welsh song and it's called Y Drwg, which means the bad. And it's about someone who's lost their heart and can't find it.
Dwi 'di colli dy naw, Rhagedd gwyn rhiama. Dwi 'di colli ymhen, mor lwng curiad y drwm na drwg. Dwi 'di colli na naw, lygiad gwyn rhiama. Dwi 'di colli credio, symudiad. and true. Really kochim hen, really kochim halom, really kochim hen, really kochim halom, and true, and true. Throw drwy fariau na senau ac allan I ddod y credyd bach drwy neb yn ei wylio wylio bob cornel, bob pennod, bob tylio, bob stryd ond ffindio dim a neb yn ei a dwi'n teimlo neges dwi'n teimlo'n wan I chwilio yng nghalon y bobman
Thank you very much. This next song is about waiting for someone. It's called While You Were Gone.
You were gone, I smiled, my handshake smiled, and I laughed, my sardonic laugh, while the face in the picture lied back. You were gone, I stared at the space across there, and I looked at the rustling in the ground, while the bats and the buzzards go by.
Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much. So my name's Aled Rheon, and I'm Aled Rheon. And the next song is a Welsh song, Can Gymraeg. And it's about plucking up the courage to ask someone out. I'm sure most of us have been there at some point. It's called Dyma Fi'n Mynd. Dacw hi yn y canol a gwen o glist I glist, rhannu joc efo'i ffrindiau, mae'n un chwerthin I gyd. Dacw fi yn y cornel yn sychu ar ni, trio peidio that gormod yn ei ffwrdd o'n hyn. Dacw hi yn y canol yn dawnsio feryg, chwifio'i chorff o cyfeiriad, taflu siapiau I bob curiad. Dacw fi yr ochr arall yn sychu ar ni, trio morau fel ei llygad, a gwenu, a gwenu. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. Try a new one now. You look like a forgiving audience. This one is about the fact that you can't control everything. Can't predict the weather or the storm clouds overhead. Sometimes they just fly by, sometimes they're filled with light. Can't always roll a double, can't always come out flat. Sometimes the heads are tail, and long, and long. Oh,
Sometimes you've got to fumble to find what's in your grasp. Sometimes you've got to hold on fast. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much. What to do next? Can Gymraeg nesaf. It's called Wy ar Lwy, which means egg on spoon in Welsh. No, it's not about athletics or school day, sports days. It's about holding on to someone when they're feeling fragile.
Could you keep your hand mewn un tomen gorwedd fel milwyr mewn fewn rhyfel wedyn adref a gwylio'r blocs yn oriau pwy sy'n mynd a pwy sy'n ennill. We sing that I love, we sing that we sing come here. Oh, here is I, headman old Kegai. I'm not sure, now in your name, turn off my door. And I'm not sure, now in dead. Until it dies. Mewn lygadau Chwarae gemau Y blant as he calls me away. But I'm going down the journey to knock down the door. But I'm going down the dim. But I'm going down the journey to knock down the door. But I'm going down the dim.
Jeff Mauer, thank you very much. I've got a couple of ways. We've got a couple of songs. This next one is about an argument. There is a post-Watershed version of this song, but I shall try not to sing it. You have me now.
You have me now, you have me now, in a frenzied state of throwing away. Grenades and missiles across the room, in a state of cushions out. The sky to choose, no one knows when war broke out. We're a pulse of bullets screaming through the night. The sea's been waylaid. And we know one thing's for certain, it's hit the fan. All over the wall, it's all over the floor, and it won't ever You have me now, you have me now, in a mountain valley, escaping, skirming, got me out the door. If only we could change the record, but it's hit the fan, and it's all over the wall. It's all over the floor, and it won't ever. But I used to love you, used to love you, used to love you. I still it's all over the floor, and it won't ever.
Thank you very much. Yeah, we've got one Brando. This will be my last song now. This is the one hand all happy. I do have, here comes the sales pitch. I do have some CDs if anyone is interested. Come and see me after the gig. So this song is Can Gymraeg, Welsh song. I'm going to leave you on a high note. This is a murder ballad. It's called Tawel Fel y Bedd. But the murderer gets his comeuppance in the end. Thanks very much for listening. And the sun's out now.
Arwaliau sahih and want to cadroi a trenain plaiddio chwibani dandroi Arwaliau sahih Shine starry, a great I went out Find out